Those of you who have been following me will know that I've made some progress on my diamond painting. This is the garden at Argenteuil by Monet, and this is what I did first, this little area here. Then I moved up to the sky here. The center I have not finished. This is what I have left to do. And I've been working around the bottom right here. I've been working around the bottom and then up the side here. And I've gotten pretty far there. I only have one square left. See that square right up there? That's a square that has not been diamond painted. And the one right below it, right here, I have not finished. See, there's a little area right there that is empty. It hasn't been painted yet or diamond painted yet. But if I get back, you can see where I'm going with this. I'll be working on the house next, I hope, once I finish this side here. I will probably not do this part. I'll probably start right here and move my way up and see if I can finish this fairly soon. I'm then going to take it to be framed, and we're going to attach it with adhesive to a plasterboard and then frame it, because this is a very heavy painting. It has a lot of diamonds in it, and if you just frame it without adhering it to a plasterboard, then it'll slowly just shrink down. It'll fall down because of the weight at the bottom of the diamond painting. So that's just a little tip. I'll tell you that's what I'm going to try to do when I go to have this formally framed. But I just wanted to show you the progress that I've made, and I'm really excited about moving forward on this.